Hi there, friends. It is just after 5:30 on Friday, April 9th. I'm Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson, a weather update for you. Be sure to have multiple ways of getting warning information during the overnight hours: a weather radio, a cell phone, an app that can alert you to a developing weather situation. Of course, we'll be here at WCBI TV all evening long. There could be some severe weather around here, power outages. Obviously, stay away from any downed tree or down power line, and call your power company if those power outages do occur. Now, going into this evening, we have a severe thunderstorm watch, which is a bit unusual for the Deep South this time of year. We usually get tornado watches, but the atmosphere is more conducive to wind and hail than actual tornadoes this evening. So a watch goes until 11 o'clock for North Mississippi, and until 7 for West Alabama. We will likely see additional watches issued later on. But going into the late afternoon and early evening, weather-wise locally across our region, we're doing fairly well. Not a lot of active weather on radar. We are in this donut hole, and temperatures are very warm in the 80s. It is warm and humid. We could have a shower or storm pop up at any time, and this is at 5:34, and we are beginning to see just a few cells pop here south of Columbus into Pickens County, Alabama, and also here in the northwestern Mississippi. The bigger batch, though, is out here in the Delta and approaching Cleveland. We have a severe thunderstorm warning that goes until 6:30, also southwest of Greenville until 6:45. So some strong storms across Arkansas and the Mississippi River Delta region. They are moving our general direction. So probably after 7 o'clock, those storms will be coming on in. That is the evening activity. So a storm could pop at any time over the next few hours, and then we'll watch this wave come in from the west. Back out in the west, in Oklahoma, that's where we will have the second round of storms. It's developing now, but that will eventually form a line of some sort and then push down to the southeast and go all the way across the region. So we are all going to be affected. Now, this evening, large hail, damaging gusts, heavy downpours, and some lightning, the primary threats. As we get into the overnight, we will have some more widespread wind damage in the region. There's a slightly better chance for some of those tornadoes around our area, so we'll watch out for that. In addition to some very heavy rainfall, some of you may get 2, 3, 4+ inches of rain. That could lead to some flooding issues around here. So our future radar is depicting this activity moving through during the evening hours. We'll watch out for that wave. More activity late this evening into the overnight hours. That final wave right here, sometime between 2 and 5 o'clock in the morning. That would have the wind and the isolated tornado potential, and all of this should simmer on down by about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. So again, severe weather possible all night long. We will be babysitting things. Saturday's looking fairly good. We're back into the 70s, and the most active part of the day Saturday during the early morning hours. Our Sunday, Monday, looking great. Cooler by the middle of next week. We're back into the 70s and maybe only 60s by Wednesday. So just stay weather aware, folks and friends, as we monitor the severe weather on this Friday night and early Saturday morning.